What's up, YouTube? This is Anthony from Meineke Cinnaminson doing a repair on a used epdm that I purchased from a guy. We won't say what company he represents, but no big deal. I'm cool with fixing it. This is the external diode on the 5 amp circuit, which is here. Let's go here, 5 amp. You'll see someone did some creative work and turned it into 10 amp. Well, as the diode decays, it can no longer hold a 10 amp fuse either. This is what the old one looks like. This is what it is nipped out. And then you can see right here that I have it soldered in to the printed circuit board down there, just to the remaining tabs. And the other one, I just pumped RTV black silicone all over this and sealed it in. And it's working good. So I want to test this one because this one doesn't have corroded pins. And I'm having some issues with low oil and engine over temp, which I don't have low oil, and I did change the sensor and engine over temp, and it's not overheating. So I'm not sure what's going on. It could be just that I had some corrosion in the pins that I couldn't get off because it's no longer silver. It's down to the nickel or copper. But yeah, I can't wait to test this out and see if it works. The other one didn't blow a fuse. I changed the 10 amp fuse to a 5 amp, and I've been riding the crap out of it. If you checked out my previous video on it, I went to the finger throttle, which is a nice upgrade. Instead of wearing out the inside of your thumb here. Oh my God, after hours of riding that thing,